Hey guys, it's Jason with Heritage Lawns and Irrigation. I hope everybody's doing awesome today. It is an absolutely gorgeous day out here. And what I'm going to be doing today is your head lawn coach's report, and I'm going to be talking about bedhead. Yeah, you heard me, bedhead. You know, my hair's a mess in the morning. What am I going to do about my bedhead? I am going to throw a hat on. Some people, they shower, get all cleaned up in the morning, they do their hair, get everything beautiful, and everything's awesome. And it's very similar to seed head. And that's really what I'm going to be talking about today is seed head, because I'm seeing seed head all over the place. Seed head is coming from your fescue and even from your bluegrass. This is the time of year that it produces seed. And a lot of people think and mistake seed head for weeds or crabgrass or any other thing, that they think there's something out of place. And it's normal. Happens this time of year every year, and generally lasts about 3 to 4 weeks. And the best thing to do is just mow every 4 to 5 days. You'll take care of everything, and that seed head will be gone. It usually takes about 3 to 4 weeks to go through the whole process, but it's very normal. This is totally normal. This is what it's supposed to be doing, and that is seed head. Everybody will have some seed head, but everybody has bed head. So what are you going to do about your bed head? You're going to throw a hat on just like me. And then you're going to start the day with a smile and end the day with a smile, just like me. But what are you going to do about seed head? You're going to mow, just like I do. So every 4 to 5 days, you're going to mow a different direction. You're going to have a lawn that you can be proud of. And if you have any questions or concerns, give us a call, 913-451-4664. And here are some photos of seed head. Right here, some photos of seed head. This is seed head. And you can always visit our website, heritagelawnskc.com, heritagelawnskc.com. I am Jason with your head lawn coach's report, and I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you so much.